Hello, I'm Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health. And what I want to do today is go over how to loosen up those tight and tender muscles of your forearms and upper arms that oftentimes lead to wrist pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, elbow pain, which oftentimes presents as golfer's elbow, tennis elbow. So very simple. We're going to use a OcraMed Health Tai Chi ball. And the first thing we're going to do is we want to get those muscles on top of the Tai Chi ball and do some simple rolling, back and forth, side to side, even diagonal, all different directions, and just kind of knead those muscles and start in the lower part of the forearm and cover about an inch or two worth of tissue for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then move it up and hit another area of tissue for about 20 or 30 seconds, working your way all the way up the forearm, and then get it up onto the elbow, above the elbow onto the tricep, and do the best you can to try to angle different angles of your arm onto the ball as we roll and knead those tight and tender muscles. If there's any areas that you can't seem to get on top of like a table or a bench, then just in the other hand, hold the Tai Chi ball and just kind of roll it and knead it into those muscles with the other hand, going over. A lot of times it's difficult to get the bicep muscle forwards and backwards, side to side, and on the brachioradialis, which is a lot of times causes a lot of tennis elbow type symptoms. After we've spent a few minutes actual rolling onto the ball, the next technique we want to use is where we actually just place the ball down and then just apply direct pressure onto the ball. And as we're doing that, and we're holding direct pressure down onto the ball, what we're going to do is we're now going to move the wrist. And so we're pinning down and trapping some of the tight and tender adhesions and tissue of the forearm, as now we stretch it by moving the wrist in all sorts of different directions. And after we do that for about 30 seconds, once again, we'll find another kind of knot or tight and tender spot. And once again, we'll move that wrist around in different directions. Same thing when we get up into the tricep. Direct pressure is held down. And what we're going to do is we're just going to bring the arm back and forth, bring it up a little higher on the tricep, and once again, just moving the arm back and forth. Same thing can be applied with the bicep. You may need to hold it, but we're going to hold direct pressure into the bicep and stretch the arm out in front this way, hold some pressure here down onto the brachioradialis, and once again, just move that wrist in all different directions. This whole process, 5 to 10 minutes. It does not take a long time. In fact, you don't want to do it for too long. If the next day you're noticing all sorts of bruising on top of your forearm and your arm, then you overdid it. This should be a nice, comfortable procedure. You're going to find some tight and tender knots, and that's okay. It should be what they call, a good pain. So just kind of work it. You can also utilize our neck lax, which is often, for neck problems, but this is excellent for tennis elbows and tight and tender forearms. It's a little awkward at first, placing the forearm into the neck lax, but once you get it in there, it's an excellent tool for using to loosen up forearm muscles. Is we actually get the forearm in there and then just apply a little bit of pressure down with the other hand. And now what I like to do is I actually will move the wrist around. For example, I'll spell out the alphabet with my hand, and I'll go through all the different letters as I'm applying pressure into those forearm muscles. And after I do that, I'll just lower it down and come down a little bit lower, and once again apply pressure and spell out that alphabet. And I'll hit 3, 4, 5 different spots. So it's an excellent tool also. Besides for the neck, you can utilize it for tight and tender forearm muscles to prevent carpal tunnel, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow. I hope those tips were helpful. Any more information, just look at our YouTube page, OcraMed Health, or go to our website, www.ocramedhealth.com. Have a great day.